Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.